Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 login error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first, a solution, it would be to go to battle.net and just log out of it. Try to log out of battle.net just like so, and after that try to log in again. That should fix the issue. If that will not fix the issue, just make sure that you're using battle.net desktop application to launch the game, because other game managers may cause the error. And now you can also go ahead and try to restart your PC. Just go ahead and click restart. This will resolve the problems caused by programs and services running in the background, but you can also close them on the task manager itself. Just go here, there, and close them on task manager and try to log in again. If you still cannot log in, just go ahead on battle.net and reset your password. Now, if any of these fixed your issue, please leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.